Make your event memorable with Rajashri Event Management. Call us now.
Speaker, sir, there's fear and anxiety in the minds of the farmers in Sattari due to huge losses suffered due to crop damage by wild animals. More than 5,000 farmers who are registered as Krishi card holders. These wild animals feed on coconuts, areca nuts, cashew nuts, mangoes. The Agriculture Department underreports cases of damage due to monkeys, bisons, and other wild animals. Further, farmers are allowed a compensation only once a year under Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi scheme. As such, the government may increase the compensation offered, allow multiple claims in a year so that they are adequately compensated, requesting the government to provide adequate and timely relief.
Yes. Minister.
Speaker, sir. Under the Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi scheme, government provides compensation for the damage caused to the field crops and the horticulture crops by the wild animal. The compensation provided is limited to rupees 160 lakh per farmer or as per the actual. Actually, evaluation, whichever is less, the compensation for the agriculture produce is limited to one time per year, per person, per farmer, depending on the type of the crop. The damage,
Alex Swab.
Damage horticulture trees limited to one time per year, and claims are accepted and when it occur. The Agriculture Department report only the case, the claim by the farmers and damage due to wild animal. The proposal of Dr. Divya Rani, Honorable MLA Poriyang Kosteji in Sattari Taluka will be examined and they increase the compensation and timely relief to the farmers will be provided.
Yes.
Speaker, sir. आमच्या एरियान almost 5,000 farmers आसा who are registered, almost 15,000 hectares आसा farming. But सद्या कितें जालां, the farmers are quite dejected because the amount of monkeys, giant squirrels, bisons, and all these porcupines they keep on affecting various different, it is not that just one plant, whether it is the mango, cashew nut, the young saplings of areca nut, coconut, and of course the big coconut trees. Monkeys are the major, the animal which affects the trees are the monkeys and the giant squirrels. Nobody knows how you can stop a monkey from coming into the field, because for other animals you can put a fence or something like that. So I just want to request and understand from the department whether we can think of having a solar fencing or a high solar fencing, maybe like more than 6 to 10 feet high, where maybe that can hinder, because we are not allowed to use firearms or any such method which can affect an animal. But at least if we can think of having solar fencing in these areas, and it's not only Sattari, I know that other areas of Goa also where there is farming happening, this is the major hindrance. And I know the department has given a reply, but I know that the farmers are getting only 6,000 rupees, and till now only 2 lakhs they have received only 2 lakhs, and only 6,000 rupees per farmer has been received, and that too only one time in a year they can claim. So I'm requesting that hopefully they'll be able to claim as and when the crops are damaged, and increase in the compensation to the farmers, and provide some subsidy or start a scheme where they can start fencing of their farms. That is the only way we can stop the squirrels and the bisons and the monkeys from damaging the crops, Speaker, sir. So request the minister to please look into this, because our farmers, there's so much farming happening in our area, but the farmers come to us, शेतकरी येता आमकां आनी सांगता कितें करपाचें मॅडम, कशें रोवपाचें, रोवन इतलें नुकसान जाता, रोवन कितें फायदो, सगळें झाड वयर येवचे पयलीं मंकीज डिस्ट्रॉय करतात कोकोनट, केळीं जावनी, मँगो जावनी, कॅज्यू जावनी, बायसन्स शेतांनी येतात. सो ओनली सोल्युशन कूड बी लायक द डिपार्टमेंट प्रोवायड्स fencing, like solar fencing, so that takes care of even maybe hopefully the monkeys also. Because, or I want to request if anybody, maybe the young entrepreneurs now or any school students, college students can come up with some innovative idea to help us, help the department, help the government of thinking of ways to the menace of monkeys, how we can stop the menace of monkeys.
तुम पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.
Book your taxi 24/7 at a reasonable price with Goa Miles. Download Goa Miles app today.